Southeastern service, class 465907 on the rear on the service to London Charing Cross. That pairing of 375s are on the service to Hastings. Right now is class 376 on the service to Gravesend. For Southeastern. 376 is ready to depart on the service to Gravesend. That's 376002 on the rear, on the service to Gravesend. We also have 466001. Four 466016 and 465017. I believe. I'll get the numbers on the last one when it goes. Right, and now is the 0908 service to Sevenoaks. Formed of 465181. Service to London Charing Cross is now leaving, and on the rear was 465157. Okay, got the leaving now is the 465. Four 465015 and the service to Sevenoaks on the rear. It's just pulled up next to me. Oh. Not quite sure where this one's going. Four 65920 the service to Hayes. Coming in now is the 0913 service to Ramsgate. We also have a service to London Charing Cross and also to Dartford coming in as well, around the same area, same time. Right, looks like that 375's on its way in first then. I think it's a double pair and a 375s. And here comes my 375 also. Here's 375 805, sorry. And 375 818 on the service to Ramsgate. Oh, it's a double pairing of 375s, perfect.